Hello everybody, it's Bazooka Joe. Hope you had an awesome Thanksgiving and didn't spend too much on Black Friday. If you did, hopefully you spent it on Powersports. We are at Cross Lake in Pine City, Minnesota. And we're gonna... I don't have the agenda. I'm not leading the... Well, I know I might wanna... I have some ideas in my head, but got a little bit of light snow going on here, and we're gonna do a little bit of riding today. In 2018, I bought this F-150 brand new from Cavalier Ford in Pine City, Minnesota, with 6 miles on it, brand new from Dearborn, Michigan. And I come up to Pine City, Minnesota today, and they just opened a brand new Quick Trip yesterday where Cavalier Ford used to be. Cavalier's retired after 60 years. Good old Pine City, Minnesota. Scott DeRocker, Rubik Motors. Hello. Garage Bar. The Priestes used to own all this property. If they would have not sold this back in the 60s, I'd be a millionaire.
Yeah, it's kind of like a family reunion there. You guys look like long-lost brothers from the den. Hilarious.
The fuck you guys putzing around for? It's only doing 40 on a... Today's ride is sponsored by the Sunny D Vodka Seltzers. They contain alcohol, so you must be 21 or over to contain them. They're very tasty. I was led on to this by the Magnuson family. They're very good. And don't worry, I have a breathalyzer on me, so I am riding responsibly.
What's 89?
Tequila.
I've never had one of them. They're pretty good.
They work really well.
I want a shot glass like that.
I think it said Fox.
They have belts here for me.
Fox in the channel, you can find that.
The North Country Bow Hunters Champion. Ooh!
Yesterday?
I might have to fight this champion for be a triple champion. Brook Park! Hello. Swedland Bill.
Hilarious. Hilarious.
Marge's. I have been alive on this earth long enough that I actually remember Marge herself.
It'll come out the same way.
I was alive to know Marge. Hilarious.
Hilarious.
Shut up.
Who are you talking on the phone back there?
Kim
Who's Kim?
So if you guys want something, you should.
owns that property that I just ripped around on.
Yes.
And they have like, I thought those were jacuzzis outside, but they're like, and they have garage doors now.
The last one.
Snoop Dogg, Death
You doing a
Row.
selfie?
Lake Appeil. Lake Appeil next.
It's
Those are
10
the new things.
milligrams of
I
THC.
can't have THC in my body.
Yeah.
About to
Bazooka.
buy.
Brook Park! Holy shit, a brand new fucking house. Brook motherfucking Park. Oh damn. So I've known this place as Muffy's on Lake Pokegama for decades. But they're called Lake Appeil right now. Pine City, Minnesota. Used to come here with my grandma Mavis, my great grandma Pearl, my dad, my mom, myself. I have a lot of memories here. And now I have one with my 2025 Can-Am Outlander 850 XT. The wind is whipping across the fucking lake. Welcome, boaters and fishermen. We are at Muffy's on Lake Pokegama, or Lake Appeil, whatever they want to identify as. Woo! Every time we come out to the machines, they're covered in snow. So it's coming down pretty good. And we are farther north.